Sam looks good. Mark looks crap. No.
Wow, we all know who the winner there is.
That woman summed you up in a picture. Yeah, it's just a bad picture.
Give him a big round of applause, please. Shabba Mark, everybody. Right, once again, it's Friday night and it's ladies' night, and Shabby, Kiva and Sunshine all face the public vote. Here's all the info you need to vote for the housemate you want to evict. To evict Kiva, call 090 11 323 002. To evict Shabby, call 090 11 323 012. To evict Sunshine, call 090 11 323 014. Calls cost 50p from a BT landline, other networks may be higher, and mobiles will cost considerably more. 15p from each call will be donated to charity. Details and terms at channel4.com/Big Brother. Voting closes in Friday's show. So, boys, what do you think is going to happen Friday?
I think Shabby's going to go.
Really?
I really do.
I kind of don't want her to, though. She's entertaining.
Really?
Yeah. All right, pipe down, pipe down.
What about now that Kiva's up, though?
Yeah, I think it could be Kiva, actually. I think she's come across a little bit nasty this week, so I don't think
What,
people like that.
double crossing Shabby, you think, or?
Yeah, I think so.
She hasn't really done anything else, has she, apart from be with Shabby?
Yeah, I think
exactly.
Shabby's a bigger personality.
All right, boys, listen, we're out of time. We've got to go. That's all we've got time for. Join us tomorrow, 6 p.m. We'll be hooking up with Celeb BB, Tina Malone, and meeting our you versus the housemate winner.
Don't forget to catch the main show on Channel 4 tonight at 9 o'clock and go to the website for everything Big Brother. Goodbye.